All right, another song from St. Tanga, Dirty Window, help us out.
What's up guys, welcome back now from California. Since I moved from Texas to California, I didn't have time to collect or spend any time or all the things, and I just quit collecting for a while, and I quit TMCC for a while. I just needed to spend my time on other things, and today I got a special package that I'm unpacking already, or unboxing, that I got from the Metclub. Didn't have a chance to buy this one when it went on sale on the recent garage sale. A friend of mine did it for me, and he got it, and I'm so thankful. You know who you are, you're gonna get something on the mail hopefully pretty soon. I haven't shipped it yet. Hopefully if I have time I'll do it tomorrow. If not, it's gonna be next week. But I'll send something to you, bro. So let's check it out. I wanted to do something special for the next video after I quit making videos, and this is just perfect for that. So here we have it. It's this one's 155 out of 279. They only made 279 of these for the price of 125 each. The artist that did this is Pusshead, and this one is called the Blue Blizzard Saint Anger print. Yeah, it measures 10 by 14. I'm gonna have to have it custom frame later on. Hopefully, like one of my friends, Jeffrey, did, which is a glass that you can show it, like you can show front and back of it. Here's the number 155, the signature of the artist Pusshead, and pretty nice. And the thick is, the paper is really thick. Here's the back of it, which has a stamp and a Metallica hologram. 155. I guess they try to match it. So this one's 155, and then over here is 155. So that's pretty nice. So that was it. Thank you for watching the videos, and I'll try to unbox some more shit later on. Alright, see you. Thank you for watching. And for those who were curious about the size of it and size comparison, if that's how you pronounce it, here's a vinyl in the print. The print's obviously a little bigger because it's 14 by 10. And side to side too with a CD. That's the difference right here. And that's the one from the Metallica Saint Anger album. And I got the special one here, the yellow or purple Saint Anger. So alright, see ya guys. Thank you for watching. Bye.